Hello my unique queens, Kiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. To make this tulle skirt overlay, you're going to need first elastic band. I got the one with the silver glimmer in it from my local Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99 regular price, but of course you can always use a 40% off coupon if it's not on sale. You're also going to need needle and thread or a sewing machine, some fabric scissors, measuring tape, and of course you're going to need some tulle. To determine how much tulle you're going to need, you will need to measure the length of your leg from right at your waist down to how far you want it to fall. Mine was right at 36 inches, and so 36 inches is actually 1 yard of fabric, which worked for me. The next measure you're going to need is for your elastic band. Now this one was simple. You buy the elastic band and you can simply wrap it around your waist. And what I like to do is make sure that I leave about an inch before they meet together, and that's where I cut it off, because once we sew it together, and of course elastic stretches, and you want to make sure it fits snug and not fall off of you, and so that's where you would get your measurement, about 1 inch before they meet. For your tulle, you will need to layer it about 4 to 5 times. So since mine was 1 yard in length, I went ahead and bought 5 yards, less than $1 per yard, and we're going to leave it folded in half. Now for your waistband, you want to put both ends together with the right side in, and you want to stitch along the corner pieces of the band. So if you're hand sewing, you're going to want to pull the thread through, and then on your second go up, you want to make sure that you put your fabric around the needle before you pull it up. And this is going to kind of create a zigzag stitch, what the sewing machine would normally do. Now I am going to use my sewing machine for the sake of time and show you what the finished product looks like, but you can absolutely do this by hand using the method that I just showed you. Once you have it sewn straight up, then it should be connected and secured. Now we're going to add on the tulle. If you're hand sewing, you're going to want to first bring your needle and thread through to make sure that it is secured within the waistband. We are going to sew this along just the bottom portion of the waistband. So now we're going to bring the needle and thread through, and we're going to keep looping it around, pushing it up through the bottom and bringing out the top. Now I have mine all done. I did a zigzag stitch, and that was one side. I'm going to continue to put my layers on. So the length of mine is 36 inches, which is 1 yard, and the width was whatever came on the bolt. Now once I have everything secured, I kind of trimmed up the edges, and that was it, you guys. I hope you love this tutorial. I absolutely love my skirt. Now I have a few other videos that are going to go with this, and we're going to come up with a whole complete look for New Year's Eve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.